Hey guys, I got a little team deathmatch here on Fallen. Gonna do some sniping, maybe some assault rifling. Oh, and it's Modern Warfare 3. And it's base. If there's any noise in the background, it's my friend's annoying frickin' brother. He's annoying as crap.
He's a sneaky devil.
Yeah, he's sneaky devil. I think I just see an Easter egg. I found an Easter egg right here.
Right here.
The suspiciousness sign. Pretty neat.
This is a star sign.
Suspiciousness is a star with a looks like a hatchet and a sickle. I'm gonna mute these guys.
Yeah.
Ooh!
Sneaky devil.
Michael, shut up. I don't want you to say that. I'm not the best. I'm okay, but I'm not the best. So it's not like you're gonna see top-notch scores here. See, as I just missed that guy. Not the best. Not the best at all. But I'm okay. Sniping is fun in this game, it really is. Missed. Dang it. Sorry about that. Some people are just boobs. I don't know. Zombies. Not too zombies. It's a boobadicious game. I can tell you that much. Okay, I want it. I'll turn it down. Turn it down! Sorry about that. Yeah, my friend just turned up music real loud, so just ignore that. That big thing. It's a cool song. Go check out Syndicate Project if you want to hear it. It's a really good song. Owned. Oh crap. I got tagged. That sucks when you get tagged. Turn it down. Dang, he stole my kill. It's a really good song. You need to check it out.
Dude, I posted the kid.
Really good song. You just really need to check it out. Man, it's taking me a lot to kill this one guy. Holy crap. But he went up there. Yes, he did. Take it out. Yeah, too bad. Oh, Syndicate. Very, very, very talented zombie player. But it's not him singing. If you can hear the music, which I doubt you can.
Somebody just tried to shoot you.
I don't care. Really slow game. Don't have anything much to say. I died. Well, that was a cool, neat little spot that guy had. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Oh crap! Stealth bomber! Stealth bomber! Stealth bomber! I don't think it was ours. If you saw that, I'm sorry. Okay, now turn that one off. Probably. I'm really sucking this game. Really bad. Yeah. 2 kills. Spray down. Spray down. D, you're good. You're not tall enough.
I think so.
Lady and jitters. I'm not a good commentator.
I did not get Michael it.
I'm not a good commentator, so I'm sorry if you're bored. So, I'm getting on a good little snap. Oh, never mind. Ooh, Predator. Crap, that sucked. Oh, I got a kill anyway. Sweet. Oh, ha ha. That was a pretty cool kill. That was a pretty nice kill, you gotta admit there. Probably this guy's gonna come up here. Oh, there he is. There he was. There he was. Ooh. 16 and 14. I'm doing okay. Not the best, but I'm doing okay. Oh, crap. Sean. Okay, back in my good little spot. Come back out, come back out, come back out. Dang it. Ah, I did. Crap. I hate that. Oh, I still killed him. I don't even know where that thing is, or I would kill it. Oh, never mind, it's gone. Dang it! Hopefully, we lost. Overall, it was a pretty good game. Didn't do too great. 17 and 17. It's okay. So, I'll see you in the next video.